Welcome back everyone. So as you can see on my screen, it says communication problem with XIM Matrix. Manager requires XIM Matrix to be running firmware version 2024, I think that's February 19th or greater. All this means is that your XIM Matrix, the physical device, so not the app on your phone, the XIM Matrix itself needs to be updated to whatever version number that is. So I'm going to jump over to my laptop now and show you what I would do to upgrade it. This is the website here that we need to get to. But to be able to get to this, you can Google this and find it. The easiest way to do this, in my opinion, is simply go to your search bar. So I'm going to click on the plus icon here. I'm going to type in XIM, XIM, full stop, tech, TECH, / latest. Press enter. It's going to take you to that same website. Now, as of April 2024, this is what it looks like. I'm going to click on where it says go to XIM Matrix downloads. When you click on this for the very first time, if you already had an account with XIM, they've moved forums. So you will definitely have to reset your password and try to log in. So when I do this, because I'm already logged in, it's going to take me to the section it needs to take me to. So I can download the firmware I need, which for me is actually at the very top here. So simply go to this, click on that to download it. It's going to open another page and give some more instructions and give all of this information here. I'm going to skip all the stuff at the top here and I'm going to scroll all the way down until I get to the end of this thread, and I'm going to go to where it says XIM Matrix Firmware. I'm going to simply download this. Now, this is what I need for PC. Let me zoom in. If you're on a Mac, you will need to use the one below. I'm on a PC, Windows 11, so I'm going to use that first one. So I'm going to download it. It says download XIM Matrix Firmware tool. Click on that. That's downloading there. That's finished. And now we need to plug in or open the app and plug in our XIM Matrix. So let's open the app and see if it gives us any instructions. All right, so it says with your XIM Matrix unplugged, press and hold the button on the top and then plug into your computer using a USB-C cable. So this is a cable that came with the XIM Matrix. I'm using a different cable because I need the length, but it should be the same for any USB cable you have. So again, hold down the button on your XIM Matrix. It only has one button, so it just makes it very easy. Hold the button down, and while you're holding the button down, keep holding it down. Plug your XIM Matrix into your PC. There we go. You've heard the sound from me. The light on my XIM Matrix is now blue. If you've done this correctly, the light on yours should also be blue. And then here it says backup, restore, all these things. The first thing I always recommend is to do a backup first. Just in case something goes wrong and it shuts down or it doesn't go through, you have a backup of your settings. So I'm going to do backup. Click on backup here and I'm going to choose desktop as my place to store my backup. That should be fine. I'll leave it as that for now and I'll just click save. So I'll leave the file name as it is. I'll leave the file type as it is and I'll simply save it on desktop. You don't have to do this, but I always recommend whenever you're updating something, always have a backup. I'm going to click save. It's saving. That's all finished. All right, perfect. Do I need to unplug this again? I don't think so. All right, so all I need to do at this point is click on update and let's see what happens. So it says your XIM Matrix will be upgraded from, so I'm running version 2023-06-19. So that's the 19th of June, 2023. And I'm going to update it to the 19th of February, 2024. Ready to upgrade your firmware? I'm going to click yes. And it's updating. The light on my thing is turned whitish yellowish. And it's not doing anything now. It's back to blue, but this is all grayed out. So I'm just going to wait. Sounds like it's unplugged itself. The light is no longer blue. It's not pulsating. It's just a whitish yellowish color, and I believe that's it. I'm going to leave it for a bit. Oh, there we go. Your XIM Matrix was updated successfully. It is now safe to remove it from your PC or computer. Click OK. I'm going to unplug the USB cable from my laptop. I'm going to power my XIM Matrix back on just so I can double check if this is updated properly. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to plug my USB cable back into my laptop just to give this power. You can plug this directly into your PS5, your Xbox, whatever you want as well. But I'm going to use my laptop just for this test. It's plugged into my laptop. It's getting power on my XIM Matrix. I'm going to try and connect to the XIM Matrix again. So on my phone here, I'm going to click on connect. Let's see what happens. Do I need to press that button again? I'm not sure. No, I don't. There we go. It's done. So the last game I played was Remnant from the Ashes, Remnant 2 technically, and everything seems to be working fine now. Now, just to make sure, I'm going to go ahead and create a new config, and the game I'm going to be playing is Helldivers 2. So let me see if they have a Helldivers 2 update. I'm going to click on the dots in the top right hand corner, the three dots there. I'm going to click on where it says new config. I don't know if this is a config yet because it's a relatively new game as of April 2024. But let's see. Hell, Hell. Ooh, no Helldivers. We have no Helldivers here. Now, I haven't played Helldivers 2 yet, but Helldivers 2, the controls and the movement in the game looks very similar to Remnant 2. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create another config. I'm going to do Remnant, REMN, Remnant 2. I'm going to click on Remnant 2. I'm going to click on PS5 for this. I'm going to do new. I'm going to leave everything as it is, and I'm going to try the Remnant 2 config, but playing Helldivers 2 instead. Fingers crossed that works.